What you see here are the GHO 14.4 and the GHO 18 VLI Professional, the extremely lightweight and precise lithium-ion cordless planers from Bosch. Its light weight of only 2.6 kilos enables comfortable work. Its cutting depth can be continuously adjusted up to 1.6 millimeters. This enables you to work faster and also more precisely. Ultra-sharp and long-life TC reversible blades ensure that you achieve high surface quality. Experience for yourself the GHO 14.4 and the GHO 18 VLI Professional, the extremely lightweight and precise lithium-ion cordless planers from Bosch. Also available in the practical, unique L-Box.